Is it the right time to buy or sell SPY ETF? Let's dive deep into SPY and provide you with a more detailed analysis. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, November 13, 2023. Now, we're here to give you all the information you need. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Keeping up with crucial updates can make a significant difference in your investments. Take advantage of our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us to enhance your trading decisions. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has ranked SPY as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.63. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown natural fluctuations, resulting in a gain of 2.21%. This means that, on average, it has returned 0.28% per day since being classified as hold/accumulate. In the short term, the ETF is currently in a falling trend. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye out for a breakup at the top trend line at $440.29, as it may indicate a slower rate of decline and potentially signal a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of -4.51% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between -11.68% and -4.48%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend suggests a 14.06% change over the next year, offering a potential return between 7.08% and 23.12%. This means the price could range from $471.38 to $541.95 after 12 months. Our latest update for the SPY ETF brings some important news. The technical forecast for SPY has been downgraded to hold/accumulate. On the last trading day, which was Monday, November 13, 2023, the price of the SPY ETF decreased by -0.0953%. It went from $440.61 to $440.19. Throughout the day, the ETF had a fluctuation of 0.663%, with a low of $438.42 and a high of $441.33. It's worth noting that the price has increased in 8 out of the last 10 days, showing a positive trend. Over the past 2 weeks, the ETF has gone up by 5.92%. In line with the decrease in price, the trading volume also fell on the last day. This is actually a good sign, as volume should follow the ETF. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by -32 million shares. In total, approximately 49 million shares were bought and sold, accounting for around $21.40 billion. Looking at the performance over the past 52 weeks, we see that the highest price the ETF reached was $459.44, while the lowest price was $374.77. Currently, the price is 4.19% or $19.25 below the 52-week high. It is also 8.29% or $39.79 below the all-time high, which occurred on January 4, 2022. On that day, the price reached $479.98. Here are the signals identified for SPY. The SPY ETF has buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, there will be support from the price levels at $437.02 and $428.14. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. On the other hand, there have also been some negative signals which may impact the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, November 10, 2023, and so far the stock has fallen by -0.0953%. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, the volume of trading fell along with the price during the last trading day, reducing overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. In the long-term chart, the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, March 27, 2023. This signal is very rare and occurs when the short-term moving average, long-term moving average, and price line meet in a special combination. It is often followed by significant gains for the ETF. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is giving a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots, which indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. The Bollinger Bands are showing a buy signal 12 days ago. The short-term moving average also gave a buy signal 11 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average shows a buy signal 9 days ago. When we analyze the relation between the short and long moving averages, it indicates a buy signal 6 days ago. Now, let's switch our focus to the 12-month chart. We observe that the short moving average gave a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average is also showing a buy signal 3 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal 31 days ago. If you want to discover more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY has a support level at $429.54, indicated by the accumulated volume. This support level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when it is being tested. This ETF is known for its good trading volume, and with minor daily price changes, the risk is considered to be low. In the last day, the ETF had a price range of $2.90, 0.663%, between its high and low points. Over the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 0.98%. Today, we'll be exploring potential day trading levels for SPY. If there's an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level for SPY, which sits at $440.61. If you're not a shareholder, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. However, if you already have SPY stocks, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the flip side, SPY encounters its first support level at $429.54. If this support level holds strong, it could present a favorable entry point, with a potential rebound in the cards. We highly recommend setting the stop loss at $423.92, which represents a decrease of 3.7%. This particular ETF exhibits minimal daily fluctuations, making it a low-risk option. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred just 1 day ago. Is the SPY ETF a good investment? While the SPY ETF shows some positive signals, we believe it's not yet a strong buy candidate. At its current level, it's more suitable to hold or accumulate in this position as we wait for further development. We have slightly downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF, shifting it from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Our systems have analyzed the volatility and movements of the last trading day and found that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Tuesday, November 14th, we anticipate that the SPY will open with a decline of $0.212 and start trading at $439.98. Before we begin, it's important to understand the risks involved in trading. Please note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your investment decisions. Welcome back to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock market. We value your input, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also interested to know what your target is for the ETF. Don't miss out on any of our future videos by liking and subscribing to our channel. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.